Hello and welcome to the Quantum How-To Guides. In this video, I will be talking through how to complete a factory reset. This setting allows you to take the heater back to its default factory settings. The Quantum User Interface, UI, is located on the top of the appliance and performs a number of functions. To complete a factory reset, press and hold the menu and the advanced buttons for 5 seconds together. This will then take you into the advanced settings menu. Use the dial to twist down to highlight the factory reset and press the dial down once to confirm. Then twist the dial to yes. Once that's highlighted, again press the dial down to confirm, and you get one more prompt, which again twist down to highlight yes and press the dial down. You will then see a power on sequence completed. The next screen you see will be the DST rule screen, so this is the daylight saving time rule. You'll see that UK and Ireland is already selected, so press the dial to confirm this. The next screen you'll see will be the date and time. You must ensure this is correct in order for your heater to work efficiently. So you can twist the dial to change the days. It should auto-populate to the correct date and time, but just make sure. Once you're happy, press the dial down to move across. Again, you can change accordingly by using the twist dial. You then go into the sound. From here, you can enable or disable. So this is whether you hear the beeps when you're pressing the buttons down. So I'm going to enable that one. And then you're completed, and it will take you back to your main user screen. For other informative videos on Quantum, please visit www.dimplex.co.uk/Dimplex-support.